Okay, we're going to set up Metashape to process DJI Enterprise photogrammetry projects for specifically the Mavic 4 and the Matrice M300 or M350. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to the GitHub link in the comments below and get the Python script, which you're going to place in users, your name, app data, local, Agisoft, Metashape Pro, and scripts. This is the file you want here. And once you've done that and you reopen an instance of Metashape, you'll now have a menu here, which is quite useful for some of the operations that we're going to do later. Next, let's set project preferences from the main ribbon in Tools, Preferences, Advanced, and make sure that you have all of these enabled. Load camera location accuracy from XMP metadata, and enable rich Python console.